Hi, welcome to How to Draw Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw some seashells. Let's start off with a scallop shell. First, draw a wide U shape with the ends pointing inward. Then, draw a tall upside-down U shape above it. On the left and right, draw a curved side sew that angles slightly towards the middle. Repeat that step another time, and then one last time with the ends reaching the bottom just like this. And now you have a scallop shell. Next, let's draw a pointed spiral-shaped shell. Let's start off by drawing the tip with an angled C shape. Draw another larger C shape underneath it like this, followed by an even larger C shape under that one. Next, start at the top end and draw a large curve. And from that same point, draw another curve like so that connects to the end. Then, draw a small curve underneath like this to finish the shape. For some more detail, we can add patterns to the shells. I'm going to draw an oval pattern on this one. Start with 2 rows of 4 ovals on the biggest part of the shell, followed by 1 row of 4 smaller ovals on the 2 rows above that one, and 2 even smaller ovals on the tip. Feel free to experiment with your own patterns for your shells. Next, let's draw a round spiral shell. Start off with a short downward curve like this. Then, from the left end, draw a big spiral that touches the other end and gets smaller and smaller towards the middle. To add some texture, draw a few thin, slightly curved lines along the spiral like this, all the way to the middle. And now you've got some seashells.